Elijah Sebastian.
Painted skies, here comes the light. It's in your eyes.
Kamusta mga kaibigan? Nakagraduate ko na ng 8th grade ngayon, May 29, class of 2025. At gusto ko gawin itong quick video para i-celebrate yung end of middle school. Gusto ko ipakita ko sa itong letter, binigyan sa akin ng mga aking supporter. Yung support sa akin for the whole 3 years ng middle school.
Holding on so tight. This is everything. This is everything. Don't fall asleep. Don't wake up from this dream.
At of course, ipakita ko sa lahat ng yearbook autographs na kuha ko before sa end ng school.
Playing on repeat. Feel cold all night. The fire burns inside. Holding on so tight. This is everything. This is everything.
Middle school ay officially over. Naka-enjoy ako, nag-had a great time, came through obstacles, pero nag-learn a lot ako. Naka-made ako ng amazing memories at naka-met ng many friends. At hindi ko mahintay ma-enjoy yung aking summer break at sa aking upcoming high school journey sa next 2 months. Salamat sa panood. Kita-kita sa next video.
This is everything. This is everything.